So this is your girl realtor here in Jamaica, Lizzy. I'm trying to get thoughts. Excuse me, sir. How are you today? Lovely, lovely. I am a YouTuber here in Jamaica and realtor. I'm just trying to go around, you know, to get person's thoughts on this hurricane. You just go up at the shop, go get something and you're going back. And you're well buttoned down. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Daddy, take care of yourself, be safe and stay dry. All right, Daddy, love you. So guys, we're on the road. I'm trying to find out if everybody is prepared for this hurricane. I'm gonna go right here to the stall and see how it's going, you know, get their thoughts on it, because when you're in the street and you have a stall here, trust me, you get a better insight of what is going on. So I'm gonna go right here and check out what's going on. Come with me all. So yes guys, I just stopped. I was trying to get some insight of what's going on right behind me there, but yeah, they said that they're trying to rush in to prepare for themselves as well. So again, let's go and see what's going on further down the street, guys. So yes guys, I'm here. This is Manninzil Road here, and just asking a few questions with this nice gentleman here. This is his stall. As I've said before, when you're up and about on the road, persons in the street, they know what is going on even more than you who is just going around and browsing. So hi Daddy, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Lovely. Are you prepared for the storm that is upon us? We're partially prepared. Good, good, good. We say can't be fully prepared. Well, that is true. That is true. Based on what's going on out here, based on the trafficking persons coming, getting stuff from you, because of course, that is a food vendor here. He's right across from the Manninzil Road. And where's that? That church there. That's the Salvation. The Salvation Army and Manninzil Road on over to your right hand side. If you're coming up, Rampton Avenue and Manninzil Road, yes, right across there, that's where he is. So based on what's going on, Daddy, do you think that we are prepared as a community or as a people here, because based on the trafficking that you're seeing? Well, as you can see, most people are prepared in certain way, from your shelter. Lovely. And food. And being warmed. Yeah. But I mean, you know, being a person now don't have to leave his own place to go to another place. That's a different. That's true, that's true. You know, that most people would prefer being their own little flat. Yes, man, in your own little comfort, you know? So, lovely. So this is the thing. That's the only thing place we Jamaica. Lovely. But the good thing is that we are a resilient set of people, you know, and we're very resourceful. And when it comes down to times like these, very helpful to each other, and that's a plus. That's a plus, you know. Kind of events bring us together as if it's Christmas in a different way, where we show care and affection towards each other. So yeah, I know. Again, Daddy, thank you very much. I really appreciate this, and I have seen some persons down there. Let me find out if they are also prepared. Just give me a second, Daddy. Thanks again, all right? Enough respect and love. All right, you take care. All right. All right, so Daddy, this is your business, correct? I see you're closing up for the storm. How has it been for you? Well, me just come on here, not going to find out trying to work, man, whether you're up there now. Okay. How long you going to be here for? Where? Here right here? Just browsing around to check and see how persons are prepared. So based on everything, you think that we are prepared as a nation for the Cat 4 that we're expecting in another hour or two? We have to be prepared, you know? Well, definitely. And that's true. And you are prepared, Daddy? Yes. Lovely. Just stay dry and warm. Enough respect and love, Daddy. All right. Whoa! As you can see, guys, so far everyone that I've come in contact with, they said that they are prepared for the most part, and that's beautiful. It means that We are going to go through this. Well, we're going to go through this in one piece for the most part, yes. And I have a couple right here. Some a few questions, you know, find out if they're also prepared. So this gentleman here having some nice Jamaican ackee and saltfish with some nice yellow yam and, you know, pair things are going. Storm coming, strong food in the system, yeah. So, yeah, sweetheart, how you doing today? Good. Lovely. What do you think about the rain? And I know we're experiencing some winds now. You know, it's not consistent, but yes, we are experiencing some winds right now. Are you prepared for this storm? Mm-hmm. Lovely, lovely, lovely. You have your kerosene ready, your lantern, your canned food, and you know your candles and everything ready. Lovely, 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 lovely. So you're just hanging out, see what's going on, and then heading to dry spot, yeah? Mm-hmm. Awesome. And you are prepared. Well, you're more than prepared in a car. You see you played face down in the food and enjoying it. Yes? Yes, man. So guys, let me tell you something. Even in the midst of a storm, this is how we are here in Jamaica. Yes, man, we are one, yeah? Support each other right through, and yeah. Again, guys, thank you so much. Please stay safe out here and stay dry, all right? One love. Yes, guys, this is what's going on here in Jamaica. We are prepared. We are prepared so far, and again, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. So yes, guys, I'm still at the stall here. I have a nice gentleman here with me. Oh, my camera lens here, I have water on it, hold on. So, I'm going to ask him a few questions, which is okay with him, but he doesn't want to be on camera, which is also fine. Not all of us likes to be on camera. So, my dear good sir, as a motorist on the road, do you think that we are taking precaution when it comes down to speeding? Because, you know, the road is wet and the hurricane is upon us. You've been on the road, have been on the road. What are your thoughts? Do you think that we are driving careful right now with the wet road? And
to me, so far the people them there in them house, you know. Anybody who up on the road, them just really need something like me I get a piece of yam.
Wait, sir, for to eat some strong food.
Right.
Of course, yeah, you know, saying in Jamaica, as I was saying yesterday, you know, the nicest thing right now is some yam with some curry chicken back in, brother. Whole heap of scotch bonnet pepper. So you know what's going on. That's what's going on for you. All right, my brother. Enough respect. All righty. So, there you have it, guys. So, yes. Everybody is practically prepared. Motorists are driving carefully at this time. And, you know, the officers are also out just to ensure. Whoa, gashing going on as well. Woo! JPS is going on with a lot of things on that light pole there. It was just gashing. And I know that the lights were flickering earlier, so we managed soon. But nonetheless, we are happy, we are good. It's a good feeling out here. It is picking up, as I've said before. And just stay dry, guys. Just stay dry. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. One love. I'm gonna keep, guys, again, I'm gonna keep these videos coming for you, so stay tuned. Again, I am your real estate agent, Lizzy, here in Jamaica. Enough love, guys. I love you. Mwah. Again, please stay dry, stay safe. And let me tell you something. I am out and about trying to see what's going on, so you guys can have an insight in the safe and dry space of your home. That sweet comfort, yeah. And again, persons are out just getting their yams and whatever to go home and make them curry chicken back, and yeah. So again, we are Jamaicans, guys. We love our food. Well, that hurricane or no hurricane, food is food, and we love that. Again, love you guys. Bye. Mwah.